In Spanish, using the near future tense, which is like I'm going to go, I'm going to eat, he's going to play, is quite straightforward. But first you need to know the verb to go, which is ir, in the 6 forms of the present tense. So, ir is the verb to go. Me gusta ir, I like to go. This is our infinitive, it's to go, it's the neutral form. It hasn't got a person, hasn't got a tense. When I conjugate it, that means putting it into the people, the different subjects, and putting it into a tense. In the present tense, it goes to boy, I go, vas, you go, in the to form, va, he or she goes, or usted goes, the formal you, vamos, we all go, we go, vais, you all go, it's the you plural, which is only used in Spain, and van, which is they go, or ustedes go, which ustedes is the formal you plural, and it's the only you plural which is used in Latin America. Now, though it's slightly irregular, it gets a Y on the end here, you can see kind of regular AR verb endings in there, even though it's not a regular AR verb, but knowing that pattern can help. O, as, a, amos, ais, an, the same as with the verb hablar, to speak. Hablo, hablas, habla, hablamos, hablais, hablan. So memorizing the verb to go as an irregular verb, we can still use some of our knowledge of regular AR verbs to help us because of those endings. Now, one thing to know with the near future tense is that I go is exactly the same as I'm going in this context. So voy can mean I go, voy a la playa, I go to the beach, voy a la playa, I'm going to the beach. Depending on the context, it can mean both. For the near future tense, in English, we'd always use the ing version. I'm going to eat. Are you going to come to the beach? So we'd always use the going version. It's exactly the same in Spanish. So we need voy, I'm going, for example, and then we need an infinitive verb, something like ir. We can use this one again, ir, to go. Voy, I'm going, ir, to go. But we need something else. We need a. This is crucial. We cannot forget the a. Voy a ir. It's almost like you're saying, I'm going to go. Or we can use a different verb. I'm going to dance, bailar. I'm going to dance. That's the way to think of it to get this right. Voy a bailar. Have a think. How would I say we are going to dance? Vamos a bailar. What about they are going to go? Van a ir. Now some other verbs. Hablar, the verb to speak, to talk. Va a hablar. I could say mi padre va a hablar con mi profesor. My dad is going to speak with my teacher. If we're going on holiday, we might be visiting someone or something. Visitar. So have a think. How would I say I am going to visit the castle? Voy a visitar el castillo. It's really, really quite simple. The key thing is knowing this verb, and you need to know that verb anyway in the present tense. Just at A1 level, just knowing the present tense, you cannot survive without knowing the verb to go because it's a really high frequency verb. We use it all the time. But once you know that, and once you've got a few infinitive verbs in your long-term memory, then just remembering you use this, a plus infinitive, it allows you to say loads of different things in the future tense, in the near future. Of course, we've also got the simple future tense, I will go, iré, and that works a bit differently, but that's something for another video. If you find the video useful, please do like, subscribe, follow me for more. Gracias.